Most people trying to burn fat and build muscle are eating the wrong foods. And no, it's not just about chicken and broccoli. If you're serious about results, you need to eat these high-protein meals. Let's fix your diet, starting right now. If you're working out, eating clean, but still not seeing results, this video is for you. We're Whole Life Health and Fitness, and today I'm showing you high-protein meals that burn fat, build muscle, and actually taste amazing. Let's get into it. Protein is the secret weapon. It boosts your metabolism, keeps you full, and helps your muscles recover and grow. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. That's how you burn fat while staying strong. Start your day right with this power bowl. 3 eggs, half a cup of egg whites, 1 turkey sausage, avocado, spinach, and peppers. Why it works? Eggs provide high-quality, complete protein. Egg whites add protein with 0 fat. Avocado gives you healthy fats to boost hormones. Spinach and peppers are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. And turkey sausage adds flavor and even more lean protein. You're getting over 30 grams of protein before 9 a.m. That's how you kickstart metabolism and curb cravings. No time to cook? No problem. Here's a shake that's quick and powerful. 1 scoop whey, 1 scoop casein, a tablespoon of peanut butter, half a banana, and almond milk. Whey gives you fast-digesting protein for post-workout recovery. Casein digests slowly, keeping you full for hours and building muscle overnight. Peanut butter adds healthy fats and flavor. Banana gives you natural carbs and potassium to prevent cramps. Blend it, sip it, grow from it. 40 grams of pure results. Want something hot and filling? This stir-fry tastes like takeout, but it's clean and lean. Use 6 ounces of chicken breast, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, garlic, and low-sodium soy sauce. Serve it over cauliflower rice. Chicken breast is pure lean protein, low in fat, high in gains. Broccoli and carrots give you fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Cauliflower rice lowers the carb count while still giving volume, so you stay full without the bloat. 45 grams of clean fuel to keep you energized all day. Need a quick lunch or snack? Try this. 5 ounces of ground turkey cooked with garlic and spices, wrapped in crisp lettuce or whole wheat. Top it with tomato, cucumber, and a Greek yogurt sauce. Ground turkey is lean, high protein, and full of flavor. Lettuce wraps keep the carbs down, while Greek yogurt gives you extra protein and probiotics. This meal supports gut health, satiety, and muscle growth, all in one bite. 35 grams of clean muscle-building goodness. This one's a classic because it works. 6 ounces of lean steak, half a cup of roasted sweet potatoes, and garlic sautéed green beans. Steak gives you iron, B12, and creatine, which help boost strength and energy naturally. Sweet potatoes are a slow-digesting carb, perfect for fueling workouts without a crash. Green beans add fiber and micronutrients. 50 grams of powerful protein for recovery and performance. When should you eat these meals? Post-workout? Go for the shake or steak. Mornings? Do the breakfast bowl, cutting fat, use lettuce wraps, cauliflower rice, or skip added oils. Bulking up? Add brown rice or olive oil for extra clean calories. Timing your meals right means better performance, better recovery, and better gains. 3 protein mistakes to avoid not eating enough protein. 1 chicken breast won't cut it. If you're not hitting your daily protein target, you're leaving gains on the table. Relying on processed snacks. Protein bars and cookies are convenient, but often filled with sugar and artificial stuff. Whole foods win every time. Skipping post-workout meals. You train hard, don't waste the effort. So here's the recap. You got 5 high-protein meals that burn fat, build muscle, and keep you full. You learned why each one works, nutrients, timing, and benefits. And now, it's time to take action. And if you loved this, like this video, subscribe to the channel. This really helps the channel out and helps us to be able to create more content like this. And also, comment down below saying yes if you are going to add these meals to your diet. See you in the next video.